A very good evening to all Vivites in India, and a very good morning to all the Vivites in the United States of America. Well, my dear friends, so this is the Friday night and this is the Ayurveda night in India, and it is the Ayurveda morning in the United States of America. Well, my dear friends, I hope everybody is watching this particular Facebook Live from the US or in India. I would like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. Suppose if someone in the United States is not watching this, please let them know that every Facebook Live on Friday night is about the product Ayurveda, which is an awesome product which is launched by Indus Viva Health Sciences in the United States of America. Well, my dear friends, this is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training at Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore, India. Well, this is a continuous Facebook Live series, and as everybody knows, this is a night which is especially dedicated for our international product Ayurveda. And a very good morning to all Vivites in the United States of America. Well, so let me start this session without wasting much time. Well, my dear friends, as I've previously promised you, you can start shooting me your questions immediately right now about the product Ayurveda. So I'd be speaking about a short topic on Ayurveda as well as the relevant topics, which is currently it is relevant to the present scenario which is happening in the world. So I'll be noting down your questions. So once I end my session, I'll be able to take up your questions. Well, my dear friends, again, last Friday night also we had a session on Ayurveda. So I in fact answered most of your questions there, but there were some questions which were left unanswered. My colleagues have noted down those questions for me. So once I end this small topic for 5 or 6 minutes from now, I'll be able to answer those questions initially, followed by the new questions which are raised today. Well, my dear friends, again, I welcome you all to this fabulous Facebook Live series on Ayurveda product. Ayurveda is a product which is launched in the United States of America and is doing very well there. And it is quite different from the product Ipulse, as I was telling you the last time. But in today's session, I will be covering some of the relevant topics which are actually happening in the world today and the ingredients of Ayurveda. This is very important. I have told about the product in the last Facebook Live. Today I will be talking about one of the major ingredients of Ayurveda, what exactly its relevance is. I hope everybody is enthusiastic to listen this. I hope my video as well as audio is clear to everybody. So with that, I would like to start this session. My dear friends, again I welcome you all. Suppose, as I previously told you, if someone is not watching in the United States of America, please do let them know or share this link so that they will be able to see this later on and get benefited with the product knowledge of this particular Ayurveda. Well, let me start this session. So in the United States of America, there is a news channel that everyone knows. Even in India it is there. It's called as NBC. There it is called as MSNBC. On May the 20th, 2 days back, there was an article which came in that particular news channel. It was also published online. I would repeat this again, on MSNBC, May 20th. The article stated something like this. Some people in the US who were actually tested positive for COVID-19 after their quarantine as well as the relevant treatment became negative. But again, after some days, the people who were negative again turned positive. My dear friends, this is what the situation is. I hope you are getting the seriousness of what the situation is all about. The article clearly stated that There is no conclusive evidence that people can become reinfected with COVID-19, but researchers are following thousands of patients to be sure. Suppose if someone has turned negative, it does not mean that they are totally free of the disease. They can in fact turn positive also. Why I am telling you this is, the article clearly states again, the Navy sailors, about 14 sailors who were on a naval ship called as USS Theodore Roosevelt, who had recovered from COVID-19 illness, have again tested positive for the second time, raising questions about immunity and whether people can catch the coronavirus shortly after getting better. I hope you understood the seriousness of the condition, because this is the age when we human beings have to live with this disease. Actually, we have come to a situation where we have to live with this disease. There is no absolute end for this disease. Even if there is vaccination in future, even if there are any kinds of medicines in future, that can only give you symptomatic relief. But becoming free of this disease is quite impossible. These are some of the evidences which are actually coming out of the studies these days. So, what is the answer? The only answer is, whenever your body gets a lot of immune boosting supplements, immune boosting products, only then you can protect your as well as the people in your family, their bodies with, you can protect their bodies with or prevent these conditions. This is the only way to go ahead with this actually. Okay, the immune boosting supplements are the only way in which you can protect yourselves from any kind of dreadful viral diseases in future, even in the post-COVID situations. I hope my point is clear. Well, going ahead, my friends, one of the most prestigious newspapers, the New York Times, has published an article on May 1st, 2020. I would like to repeat this again. The prestigious New York Times has published an article on May the 1st, 2020. They have quoted a terminology called as innate immunity. It's called as innate immunity. Innate immunity can save us from coronavirus. A question mark has been put. This is very important. Innate immunity is the one which a human body develops by its own or by giving some of the supplements or vaccination. See, whenever a human body is given sufficient immune boosting supplements, automatically the human body can develop immunity. It is otherwise called as innate immunity. Normally, innate immunity is a very old concept in which vaccines help the human bodies to recover or have resistance against such viral or bacterial infections. And to that list, you can also add the immune boosting supplements, which are natural, which are herbal in nature. They can definitely protect or prevent your bodies and give you resistance against these dreadful viral diseases in the future. I hope my point is clear to everyone. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, about 25 universities around the world, again I am repeating this, about 25 major universities around the world are researching these days 24/7 for identifying and discovering a vaccine for this particular disease. Well, they might be successful in future, that is not the question. Well, on what basis the vaccines will be discovered? See, if you see the human history, human beings have been exposed to different kinds of viral diseases even in the past. It might be the smallpox, it might be tuberculosis, or different kinds of diseases actually, viral diseases. And for this, effective vaccinations have been found already. And nowadays also, you cannot identify or discover a vaccine from the scratch. There must be some evidence with different kinds of vaccines. So, again, the doctors and the scientists are now looking into some of the older vaccines like your BCG or smallpox vaccines, which can be helpful in even combating the coronavirus condition. Well, these are all in study stages right now. We don't know when the vaccine will come out. How effective is the vaccine? How does the US FDA proceed with the vaccine? How does the different health authorities across the world accept the vaccine? But my dear friends, we have very good immune supplements with us, immune boosters with us, which can definitely protect our bodies and help our bodies to develop resistance against harmful viruses and bacteria, so that your body will not suffer from any kind of a dreadful disease in the future. I hope you got my point clear. Well, this is what the promotional strategy of Ayurveda must be in the United States. It should be based on the immune boosting supplement theory. So that is a well proven theory, and the world is actually going back to this immune boosting theory today. This is what the relevance of immune boosters are there, my dear friends. So this is what it is. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, another important journal that I want to talk about, which is relevant to the present scenario, it's called as a Telegraph. The Telegraph published an article on 18th of May 2020. Again, I am repeating the name. The Telegraph published an article on 18th of May 2020. It talks about one of the major clinical trials which is actually happening at the University of Massachusetts in the United States, which is nothing but a vaccine trial which is actually happening on the human beings. As I previously told you, around about 25 universities across the world are discovering the vaccines for coronavirus, but still it is in the clinical trial stage, and for commercializing such vaccines, it always requires time. This is very important. Well, this particular article speaks about, it is one of the most, it's first of its kind coronavirus vaccine trial which was tested on the human beings, and it has appeared safe. And the trial has shown the reports that the antibodies which were generated after giving the vaccine can stop the virus from replicating. Replicating in the sense, the virus can stop multiplying after this vaccine is given. So this is just in the clinical trial phase right now. We don't have any kind of results as of now. This is just an article which is published in the Telegraph without any proper results. But my dear friends, the universities and the scientists across the world are trying their level best to do it, but it all requires time. But do we have such time with us? This is what the question is. And the only answer to this is, when your body is protected by the use of immune boosting supplements continuously, definitely our bodies can be protected and it can have resistance against dreadful viral diseases in the future. I hope my point is clear to everyone. Well, my dear friends, the next thing I want to talk about here is from another important magazine which is called as Rappler, an article which was published on 21st May, yesterday. 21st May, it's called as Rappler, which is a scientific based magazine in the United States. You know what the article states about? Normally, before they test the product on the human being, the products will be tested on the animals. Well, again, in the University of Massachusetts in Boston, so the medical center's name is called as Israel Deaconess Medical Center in Boston. They are trying the vaccine on monkeys. The monkeys were given the vaccine so that monkeys can develop immunity after the vaccines are given. So based on the same results, if the vaccines are developed on human beings, it might work. So it is all ifs and buts. There is nothing certain about this. Well, as I previously told you, I want to reiterate this again. Whenever our bodies are protected with immune boosting supplements, you don't have to depend on all these things. Definitely the body can help itself in coping up with these dreadful diseases in future. This is how the nature has given us a lesson. Nature has given us an armory of medicinal plants or herbs which can definitely have very good benefits, health benefits on the human body. I hope my point is clear to you all. Well, going ahead, my friends, as I previously told you in the last week, Advanced Ayurveda is our USP or unique selling proposition in the United States of America. Advanced Ayurveda is nothing but traditional Ayurveda which is validated by modern scientific studies, and it is the gift of Indus Viva to the United States of America and to the whole world. As I have previously stated in the last week, I would like to reiterate this again. There are lots of Ayurvedic companies or people working across the world. But as an Indian company, speaking about our traditional science in a Western country makes us first of its kind company in the world to promote Ayurveda in a scientifically validated way. So this is what the importance of advanced Ayurveda is all about. I hope my point is clear to everyone. Well, based on the same concept of advanced Ayurveda, Ayurveda is a product which was formulated and it is running well in the United States of America. Well, my dear friends, advanced Ayurveda for Ayurveda is all about taking out or digging out the secrets from the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda and validating them with modern scientific studies and patenting them and publishing the papers out of whatever the studies that we are doing is actually the purpose, the aim and objective of advanced Ayurveda so far as Ayurveda is concerned. So Ayurveda is a product which is a combination of 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations along with goodness of 15 antioxidant fruits including acai berry. Because most of you had raised the doubt last time that what is the difference between iPulse and Ayurveda. I would like to answer this again right now. iPulse is a product which is having a blend of 15 antioxidant fruits in which acai berry is the major fruit. Whereas Ayurveda is a product which is launched in the United States of America. It is based on the traditional principles of Ayurveda. It contains 4 composite Ayurvedic formulations along with richness of 15 antioxidant fruits. This is what the difference between iPulse and Ayurveda. So I hope this point is clear to everyone. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, as I previously told you, Ayurveda is a very good immune boosting product. Ayurveda is also a product which is beneficial for your brain health, gut health, heart health and liver health. Well, since this Facebook live is for United States of America, I would like to tell you one thing. The US FDA does not validate any claims or benefits of wellness or herbal supplements. FDA is validating claims only for the drugs or the medicines, not for the wellness supplements. I would like to tell you, my dear Vivites, that Ayurveda is a product which is categorized under traditional health products under the US FDA. It is called as traditional health products. This is because traditional health systems, mainly it might be Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, Tibetan medicine, Chinese medicine, Korean medicine. All these are different categories of products which are classified under traditional health supplements under the US FDA. And these are all depending on the traditional health claims. Like Ayurveda, what we have, but it should be validated by modern scientific studies. This is what the requirement of US FDA is all about. Well, FDA is only validating the label of our product. Suppose if you see the label or the packaging of Ayurveda, it is actually validated by US FDA. And the manufacturing place or the factory where the product is produced or manufactured has to be registered with US FDA. So my dear friends, you might be knowing our products are manufactured at a factory named Vaco Bottling Private Limited. This is based out of the state of Texas in a place called as Vaco, which is registered with the US FDA. So these are the only 2 requirements what the FDA is requiring for launching the product in the United States. As I previously told you, whatever the claims or benefits, normally we don't do any claims or benefits on the packaging, but whatever the claims or benefits which is traditionally told in the textbooks of Ayurveda, we have been claiming in the product Ayurveda, and these claims are traditionally proven in the textbooks of Ayurveda but not validated by the US FDA, which doesn't validate the traditional health medicinal products. I hope you got my point clear. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, Ayurveda is a product which contains 50 herbs, 50. I hope the number of states in the United States are 50 in number. So probably around about that. Well, even Ayurveda is a product which contains 50 herbs or medicinal plant extracts in it, which have been derived from 4 antioxidant Ayurvedic composite formulations. So 4 traditional Ayurvedic formulations. So totally it is containing 50 herbs in it. So this is one important information that everyone needs to know. So well, my dear friends, continuing with Ayurveda, as I've previously told you, I'll be speaking about one major ingredient present in Ayurveda today. Well, before I go into this, Ayurveda is a product which is based on traditional Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a product which is based on the law of similarities also. See, if you go through the textbooks of history, or even any kind of a textbooks or any kind of a literature which speaks about the history, there is something called as law of similarities. Law of similarity in the sense, whatever is there in the external world is also there in the human body. This is what is exactly called as law of similarity. You have water on this planet Earth, you have water inside the human body, as everybody knows this. You have air in the atmosphere, you have air or oxygen inside the human body also. This is exactly called as law of similarity. So far as the product Ayurveda is concerned, we also talk about law of similarity here. So I will be talking about only one ingredient today. So in the subsequent Facebook live sessions on Ayurveda, I will be speaking about the rest of the ingredients also. Well, my dear friends, so the first ingredient is actually called as Saraswata Churnam. The first ingredient is called as Saraswata Churnam. Whenever you hold a box of Ayurveda in your hand, whenever you see the label information of Ayurveda, normally the labeling is not like the Indian labeling what we have here. It is very specific to the United States, where it is compliant with the US FDA laws. It is complying with the US FDA laws. Well, you can see the term Saraswata Churnam written on the box of Ayurveda. I'll tell you, my dear friends, what exactly this is. Saraswata Churnam is a traditional Ayurvedic formulation which is containing a very important medicinal plant called as Centella asiatica. I would like to repeat this again. Saraswata Churnam is a traditional Ayurvedic formulation containing a very important medicinal plant called as Centella asiatica. This Centella asiatica is also called as Brahmi. It is also called as Brahmi in Indian languages. Brahmi, or in English it is called as gotu kola. In Brahmi in Indian languages and gotu kola in English. If you see this plant, a live plant, you can actually see the leaves of the plant which resembles your brain. The leaves of this plant resemble the human brain. This is exactly called as law of similarity. I hope you got my point. The leaf which is resembling like a brain. So you know how the brain looks like. Whenever you look into the leaf of this plant, it actually resembles the human brain. So now you got the point. Whatever is there in the external world is also present inside the human body. So what does this exactly mean? So the leaf which is actually appearing like human brain is actually good for the brain health. I hope you got my point. That is the reason why Saraswata Churnam is a traditional Ayurvedic formulation known for supporting healthy brain. I hope my point is clear to you. To talk about this, Saraswata Churnam is an ingredient which promotes self-confidence, positive thinking. It supports your emotional stability. It supports your stress. In fact, it reduces the stress. It enhances the memory. It increases your cognition abilities. It improves your attention and focus. I hope the points are clear. And again, I would like to reiterate one point, my dear friends who are watching this from the United States of America. Whatever the benefits I told you right now have been documented in the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda, and US FDA does not validate these benefits or claims. As I have previously told you, I hope you got the justification now. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, Saraswata Churnam was first identified in a textbook called as Sahasra Yogam. Saraswata Churnam was identified in a textbook called as Sahasra Yogam and Sushruta Samhita, dating back to 5000 years. Dating back to 5000 years. In fact, Saraswata Churnam is not a single ingredient. Saraswata Churnam contains 20 herbal ingredients, of which Centella asiatica or Brahmi is the major ingredient. I hope you got my point. It contains 20 herbal ingredients. It is mainly used in the treatment of psychosis, loss of concentration, anxiety, depression, epilepsy, irritability, low intelligence, loss of memory, disorders of speech and anemia, as well as skin diseases also. Well, again I would like to reiterate a point here. Whatever the claims or benefit I told you right now have been documented in the textbooks of Ayurveda only, and US FDA does not validate these claims because as per the rule it cannot be validated. But it believes the traditional textbooks of Ayurveda. I hope my point is clear to you. Well, going ahead my friends, Centella asiatica or Brahmi is also called as gotu kola in English. It is an indigenous plant to the Indian subcontinent. But apart from Indian subcontinent, Centella asiatica is also seen in the Southeast Asia, and to my surprise also, Centella asiatica, some of the species of this plant are found to be growing in southeastern United States of America also. It is also found in southeastern regions of United States of America. In fact, Centella asiatica leaves, which resembles the brain, also contains some of the active principles. See, in the morning I was speaking about eye charge and I spoke about ashwagandha, and ashwagandha contained something called as vithanolides, which reduces your stress levels. Similarly, Centella asiatica contains an active principle called as asiaticosides, which is actually responsible for supporting your brain health. Asiaticosides will support your brain health. I hope you got my point clear. Well, apart from this, Centella asiatica is known for so many other improvement in the health conditions, especially for its antioxidant benefits, antifungal benefits, antiparasitic, antibacterial. It is also good for diabetes and its complications, for dental problems, stroke, neurological diseases, Parkinson's disease, osteoporosis, hypertension and inflammatory conditions also. Well, these are all as per the research publications on Centella asiatica and traditionally documented benefits and claims. And again, my dear friends, I would like to reiterate this point. All these benefits and claims will not be validated by the US FDA. It is not its duty to validate its claims. It always depends on the textbook references, the literature references, the Ayurvedic references, as well as the scientific journals. This is how it is managed. I hope my point is clear. See the benefits of Centella asiatica and Saraswata Churnam so that it is supporting the brain health. So today's Facebook Live on Ayurveda, I have covered the topic of brain health of Ayurveda, apart from its immune boosting benefits. As a routine, I would like to tell you, my dear friends, all the Indus Viva products are considered to be first line immune boosters. They are first line immune boosters, including Ayurveda. Well, my dear friends, to end my short topic on Ayurveda, Ayurveda is a product which can be used to maintain the health in a healthy person and to prevent the forthcoming disease. Ayurveda is not a replacement for the mainstream medicine. If someone is consuming the medicine, it is better to consume the medicine. Along with that, Ayurveda can be used. It can be taken along with other medications also because it does not have more side effects. So it is relatively a safe product to be used along with combination with any other medication. But in the United States, as the rules are stringent, I would also recommend you, suppose if someone is suffering from a chronic disease, I always suggest you visit your personal physician or healthcare provider before you start the product. It is also a very important thing that whenever you are promoting the product, such disclaimers have to be used. I hope my point is clear. Well, my dear friends, regarding the dosage of Ayurveda, I would like to reiterate this again. Ayurveda should be consumed similar to iPulse, 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before your food. In the United States, we call it as 2 ounces twice daily, half an hour before your food for beneficial results. In fact, Ayurveda can be consumed safely for a longer duration without worrying much about the adverse effects or the side effects. It can be safely consumed by all age groups from pediatric to geriatric population. Well, this is about this Facebook Live event of Ayurveda for today. So I'd be ending my short topic on Ayurveda as well as brain health and Saraswata Churnam. I hope you have imbibed some knowledge out of this. Well, this is a question answer time. As I've promised you, I'll be taking the questions of the last week first, followed by the next week questions. So today my colleague Priyanka has collected this week's questions. So initially I'll be taking up the last week questions before I go into this week's questions. So the first question that I have here with me is from Ms. Anjan Vicky. Ingredients of Ayurveda, repeat again. I think you should go through the Facebook Live of this session as well as the previous session. I would have told each and every ingredient of Ayurveda, and as I have promised you, in each and every Facebook Live of Ayurveda, I will be telling about one ingredient of Ayurveda, so that you will be getting a good look as well as you can hear or listen to the ingredients, each and every ingredients of Ayurveda. Well, what is the cost of Ayurveda cost of Ayurveda in US? That is the second question that I am seeing here from Ms. Sajida. Well, I think you can just go through our website www.indusviva.us. This has a complete list of all the marketing requirements. You can also raise a mail to usa@indusviva.com, usa@indusviva.com. If you have any queries on marketing as well as the enrollments and other things, you can just have a query on that particular email ID. We will be happy to help. The next question I am seeing is from Mr. Tamil Selvan. Well, this is a very good question actually. Is Ayurveda better than iPulse? Well, my dear friends, as I have previously told you in my previous Facebook Live on Ayurveda as well, Ayurveda is a product which is based on traditional Ayurveda, and it is validated by Advanced Ayurveda and specifically launched in the United States of America. So, people in the United States of America are consuming this, people in India are consuming iPulse. Both of them have the same benefits, so you don't have to worry about a comparison or differentiation between the two products. I hope my point is clear. Okay, the next question what I am seeing here is from Mr. Kiran. What is the difference between iPulse and Ayurveda? The same thing as I have told you. So the next question again from Sajida Sheikh, US doctor's recommendation. Well, I would like to clear this point. The question is, will US doctors recommend the product? Well, our product is a dietary supplement in the United States of America. Actually, dietary supplements are not prescribed. They are not ethically promoted in the United States of America or in India for that matter. These are actually the products which are taken as supplements for your diet. Why I am telling you the doctor's part here is, whenever a person is suffering from some kind of a chronic disease in future or chronic disease, it is always better to go to a physician or a healthcare provider and talk about the disease and tackle the disease with their medications. Along with that, you can definitely consume our products as a supplement. So this is how you have to consume it. You have to treat this product as a dietary supplement in the United States only. I hope my point is clear. So the next question, the last question of the last week, what I am taking here is, I am getting, so this question is from Mr. Arun Tripathi. I am getting more questions on sugar portion in Ayurveda. The sugar content in Ayurveda, is it good for diabetes? Well, it's a very good question, Mr. Arun. I would like to answer this question because even I have got many queries on what is a sugar content or sugar composition in Ayurveda is all about. Well, my dear friends, the sugar content in Ayurveda is 4.12 grams per bottle. Well, this sugar is not the sugar which is added. This is actually the sugar which is present in the fruits, inherently present in the fruits, called as fructose sugar. This is not the sucrose sugar, which is the table sugar which is added in the product. It is actually called as the fructose sugar. So this fructose sugar is having very low glycemic index as compared to the normal sugar. So this can be definitely used in the people with diabetes very safely. I hope my point is clear to you. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, so I have received today's questions also. Let me answer these questions one by one. So this first question is from Ms. Priya Shivaram. From what age can Ayurveda be consumed? Ayurveda can be consumed from 6 years onwards. It should not be given below 6 years of age in children. It can be started from 6 years onwards. I hope my point is clear. The next question is from Ms. Sushmita, whether Ayurveda is helping in sense-related autism in children. Well, as I have previously told you, Ayurveda is a very good product for supporting brain health. So definitely if children's brain health is affected, as a supplement you can definitely give this product in such children. The next question I am seeing here is from Mr. Ramachandra. Can we get Ayurveda formulation in iPulse? Well, I have answered this question before. Ayurveda is a product which is specifically launched in the United States of America. Well, so the next question what I am seeing on my screen is from Mr. Sahil Rajput. Face any problems from authorities to recommend Ayurveda to US nationals? Mr. Rahul, I would like to, so Mr. Sahil, definitely there is no problem from any authorities, because as I have previously told you, the US FDA requires only 2 requirements. One is the labeling of the product has to comply with the US FDA, as well as manufacturing of the product has to happen in a FDA registered facility. Both these points IndusViva Inc. has complied, so that you don't have any worry in marketing the product even to the US nationals. I hope my point is clear. Well, so the next question that I am seeing here on my screen is from Ms. Pooja Thakur. Best immunity booster? Definitely yes. Ayurveda is a very good immunity booster, and for that matter iPulse is also a good immunity booster in India. So you don't have to have a differentiation between the two products actually. So the next question is from Ms. Gina Fernandez. We don't have certification of FDA apart from packaging. See, I think I have answered Ms. Gina Fernandez today on the email. I remember I have answered Ms. Gina Fernandez today on the email. I have written the answer exhaustively. I think better you can just go through the answer once. Suppose if you still require any clarifications, you can mail me back. I will be happy to answer on that. The next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Mohit. Can hearing problem, which product is the best? I am sorry, Mr. Mohit, there is no product which is positioned for hearing problems, because it is actually a neurological issue and it has to be tackled with an ENT physician only. I hope my point is clear. It is nowhere related with Ayurveda as well. Well, okay, so this is what the questions were. I think I have taken up the questions today, so don't worry about it. Suppose if your questions are left unanswered, I will be answering them the next Friday night, which will be again a Ayurveda night. So my dear friends, again I would like to thank you all for your participation and patient hearing on this wonderful continuous Facebook live series which is organized by IndusViva Health Sciences. I hope it is benefiting you all, not even in India but also in the United States of America. I would like to tell you this again. Suppose if someone in the United States is interested or not watching this Facebook live, I would always suggest you to send this link or share this on your screen, on your Facebook home pages or wherever it is, so that everyone in the United States who is interested in buying these products for maintaining one's own wellness and for the wellness of the other people can go through this and definitely get benefited out of this. I hope my points are clear in this. So thank you very much, my dear friends. So a very good night for all the Indian Vivites, and for all the American Vivites, I would wish you a very good day ahead and a very good weekend as well. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from my residence at Bangalore, India. Thank you very much.